previously listed and it didn't sell, then here's why it's so important to call a real estate agent I know and trust, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy sells 2 times faster and nets his sellers 2% more money on average. Rudy is so confident your home will sell that if your home doesn't sell, he will buy it at a price that is acceptable to you. Guaranteed. So if you want top dollar, a faster sale, and a guarantee, then call Rudy Kusuma now at 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS. Are you thinking of selling your home? This is Tom Tran with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and realtor Rudy Kusuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. Rudy already has the buyers. The fact is Rudy Kusuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS. It's Tom Tran. Hey, home sellers, here are great reasons why you need to call Rudy Kusuma to get your home sold fast and for top dollar. Rudy has thousands of qualified ready home buyers to show your home to. Rudy gets top dollar for his home sellers. Rudy sells 30 times more homes than the average agent. Rudy will buy your home at a price reasonable to you if it doesn't sell. If you're serious about moving and want to get packing, call Rudy Kusuma now at 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS. Hey, it's Tom Tran. When it comes time to sell your home, you want to make sure you hire the right realtor that can get you top dollar and get your home sold fast. Make sure you call my friend and a realtor I trust, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy sold Deanna and John's home for $75,000 more than asking in just 12 days to one of their buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting system. In fact, Rudy Kusuma has over 7,900 hot buyers and looking to buy right now and may already have a buyer for you. Call Rudy Kusuma now at 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS. Hi, it's Tom Tran. If you or someone you know is selling a home, then call my friend, a realtor I trust, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy has been successfully selling homes all across LA and is the #1 ranked agent according to RE/MAX. Rudy's exclusive home buyer system has helped net his sellers 2% more and sells 2 times faster on average. Rudy is so confident that if your home doesn't sell, he will buy it at a price that is acceptable to you. Call Rudy Kusuma now at 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS.
Hey, my name is Yusuf Santoso. I'm an artist, and my experience with the Rudy Kusuma team was actually really good. I was skeptical at one point, but after everything is like said and done, I'm actually impressed. Rudy and his team, Michelle, he sent Michelle, and then I talked to Michelle regarding selling my home. My home was a different case. It's a special case. I used a different agent before. For like almost 2 months, they couldn't sell it for me, but I needed it to sell as fast as possible, as quickly as possible, because I needed the money. So I decided to give Rudy's team a try, and then from the very beginning, it seems like Michelle knew what she was doing and everything, so I trusted her. So we went ahead and proceed, and like within 1 week, we had a good amount of offers. We had more than 10, I think, offers of that difficult home. And it was good. The offer was good. It was fair, and I'm very pleased. And then throughout the process, Michelle was very communicative, very responsive, and then it's easy to talk to the team and everything. Michelle helped me a lot with the escrow and updating with the selling of the house and negotiating with the buyer and everything. And one thing that I'm actually impressed, that it's true that Rudy's team has buyers, and it's true. I didn't expect that, but it's true, and that's what was happening. So I'm thankful that my difficult home is sold now finally, and thank you for the team. Thank you, Michelle, and thank you, Rudy.
Have Have you tried to sell your home just to have it sit on the market waiting for buyers? Hi, this is Tom Tran, and I know how crazy the waiting game can be when it comes to real estate, which is why I recommend Rudy Kusuma and his team to anyone trying to sell their home. Rudy is one of the top real estate agents in Los Angeles, and he has an exclusive buyers and waiting system with over 7,900 home buyers waiting to buy right now. He may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy sells homes 2 times faster than your average agent. He nets sellers $17,000 more on average, and he will guarantee your home will sell or he will buy it at a price that's acceptable to both of you. That's Rudy's guarantee. So stop waiting to sell your home and call Rudy Kusuma right now and get it sold faster. Guaranteed. Call 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS. Stop waiting to sell your home and let Rudy Kusuma sell it for you faster.
At Cunning Dental, walk in with your troubled...
Hi, my name is Sunny Luong. I've been renting for a long time, I'd say about maybe 30 years, and I finally decided to look for a home. And in California, homes are pretty expensive. And I had a real estate agent, and I was working with a lender, and it was just pretty difficult to work with them. And I started looking further for some more houses, and I found a house that I really like. I attended the open house, and that's where I met Ben, who works for Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. And I talked to Ben. He was very friendly. He knew what he was talking about. And you know, I figured this guy, he might be my guy, you know, to help me with this, and he did. I ended up being able to get the house. He had a program. He had numerous programs, and his offer was pretty much as good as cash. And we were able to close escrow on this home in about 17 days. And everything, it went smooth, and there was all the problems that, you know, if we did run into problems, Ben and his mortgage broker was able to take care of the problems without any issues. And yeah, other than that, great team. I couldn't ask for more than this. I mean, it went as smooth as possible, considering, you know, I'm a first-time home buyer. And, you know, everything, at first it was overwhelming, but they made it a lot easier for me. Oh yeah, I'll definitely recommend Rudy Kusuma and their home selling team to friends and families. Even their mortgage broker was very easy to work with, so I would totally recommend them. Yeah, they're your guy.
AlexanderBMW.com.
Hi, it's Tom Tran, and if you're in the market to sell your home, you need a real estate agent that you can trust to get your home sold quickly and at top dollars. You need to call Rudy Kusuma and his team of top-rated real estate agents. Rudy's exclusive buyers and waiting system has over 7,900 home buyers ready to buy right now. He may already have someone ready to buy your home today. Rudy and his team sell 2 times faster than the average agent, netting 2% more money on average. Rudy and his team have sold over 300 homes in the past 12 months. Rudy is so confident that your home will sell, that if it doesn't sell, he will buy it at a price that's acceptable to you. Guaranteed. Trust Rudy Kusuma. Sell your home faster and for more money. Call 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS.
Depression affects 1 out of every 4 Native Americans.
Hello, my name is Juan Estrada,
And I'm Valerie Estrada.
and we just bought a home through Rudy's team. Our situation was that we were getting evicted from our previous apartment, and we were working with a different realtor, and we had some ups and downs, but we decided to go with Christian through his daughter, who's a friend of ours, and
Who also recently purchased a home.
with Christian's help and Rudy's team. And so we're here now in our new home.
27 days later, we were able to close escrow. We had like a short amount of time to find a place because we had to get out of our other apartment because we were being evicted. But Rudy's team was able to like crunch us in and show us a bunch of homes, and it's been such a pleasant like experience working and stress-free. So here we are 27 days later, and we're finally closing escrow.
Working with Chris was great,
Yeah.
very helpful.
Yeah, I strongly recommend Chris. Like,
Strongly recommend Chris.
Yeah.
He took us around looking for different homes, and
took the time out to answer our questions, like, asked questions for us when it came to looking at other people's homes. Like, he goes the extra mile to make sure that you're comfortable and that you're not pressured and that you find something that you're looking for within your budget. He doesn't stay out of your budget, he stays within your budget.
overall, we're very satisfied with Rudy's team, and I would highly recommend Rudy's team and Christian if you're interested in purchasing a home.